In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download as JPG in Canva. If you need a lightweight image for the web or social media, JPG is a great choice because it balances visual quality with a smaller file size. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can save your design correctly and confidently. Start by opening Canva and navigating to the project you want to export. Make sure you're viewing the final version of your design on the canvas. In the top right corner of the editor, you'll see the Share button. Click that. This opens a panel with options for sharing, publishing, and exporting your work. From that panel, choose Download. You'll now see the download settings. Look for the File Type field. It's a drop-down menu, and by default, it might be set to something like PNG or PDF. Click the File Type drop-down to expand the list of formats. In that list, select JPG. In some interfaces, you might see it written as JPEG. That's the same format, so you're good to go. Once JPG is selected, Canva prepares to export your design as a JPG image. If your project includes multiple pages, Canva may prompt you to confirm which pages you want to include. If you want everything, leave the default selection. If your design is a single page, you won't need to change anything here. You might also notice a brief quality or size indicator. The default settings work well for most everyday uses. Now, click the Download button to start the export. Canva will generate the image, and your browser or device will begin downloading it. On a computer, it typically goes to your default Downloads folder, unless your browser asks you to choose a location. On a phone or tablet, it usually saves to your device's files or photo library, depending on your settings. If the file is large or your internet is slow, give it a moment to finish. When the download completes, open the file to quickly confirm everything looks as expected. JPG is ideal for photos and colorful designs viewed on screens, and it's widely supported on websites, email, and social platforms. If you don't immediately see JPG in the list, check that you're in the File Type dropdown, and remember that JPEG is the same option. To recap the flow you'll use every time, open your project, click Share at the top right, choose Download, open the File Type dropdown, select JPG, and then hit Download. That's all there is to it. You now have a ready-to-use JPG version of your Canva design.